Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be upgrading some more interior parts in my RX-7 FD. Now for those that's new to my channel, I've recently posted up quite a few interior changes videos. Just a quick recap, mainly I ripped out a lot of the interior plastics and resprayed them in gloss black. I also purchased a new gauge pod holder which sits on top of the speedo cluster and holds two 52mm gauges. I then wired in two AEM gauges to that gauge pod. And basically I'm now looking in the interior thinking I need something to pop separate from the gloss black plastics a bit more. So I'm thinking of changing the gear knob, the handbrake sleeve, the two gaiters and the steering wheel. Now I really like the Nardi products, the silver and black ones, because I think the silver pop away quite nicely from the black. However, I cannot find one of the Nardi handbrake sleeves, and I don't want to order any of the other products until I at least have that sleeve, because if I order the rest of it I'm going to be left with that looking really odd. So I've been searching everywhere for one of those sleeves and managed to find a seller in Australia that actually had one brand new in box with the paperwork. So I've done a deal with him, bought the item. Since I've bought the item, I've then placed the order for the two leather gaiters. I've got both of them, but I've got one of them on my table behind me, which I'll get to in a second. I then purchased the Deepcorn silver and black steering wheel from Driftworks along with the BOSS kit. And I then ordered the 75th anniversary Orbit gear knob that Nardi do as well. So that's being made to order. That'll probably be the last item to arrive. So you guys will see the items that I was just saying through this video, but I have got two of them at least here with me now. So I'll just show you that. Okay, so here are two of the Nardi items that I've received. Now, this one here is the handbrake sleeve that I was just talking about. There was an absolute nightmare to find. So this is made of aluminium with a leather handle on the top, and then Nardi have put one of their badges embossed in the alloy, if you can just about see that. So now I've got this item, I've placed the order for the other Nardi items. I'm just waiting for everything to arrive, as I was saying. So this item here is the black leather handbrake gaiter. And again, Nardi have embossed their logo in the leather itself, which I like. And then this really neat grey stitching. Very well made, to be fair. I'll just quickly get this out the box. So, yeah, as you can see, really nice looking gaiter. Very well made. Pretty pleased with how this looks, to be fair. I just hope it's all going to fit really well in the car. So this is pretty much all I've got to say at this point now, because this is the only two items I have. I am pretty impressed from what I've seen so far with regards to quality of these items. I just really hope it's going to look as good as I think it's going to when it's all fitted. But yeah, feel free to let me know in the comments what you guys think. Anyway, let's not waste any more time. I'm going to get straight on with starting to get all this stuff fitted.
the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it,